As you can see, I have 6 coins. Now we'll just cover them up. Give them a magic tap, flip them around once, twice, 3 times, maybe another tap, abracadabra, and ta-da! Now there are only 3 coins. The other 3 have magically disappeared. Where did they go? The trick is to prepare your plate of coins ahead of time. Tape down 3 of the coins. So the audience cannot see the tape, try rolling it like this. Add 3 more loose coins and cover them with another plate. Say some magic words for fun, but the key is to flip the plate 3 times. So the plate with the taped coins ends up on top. When you put it to the side, just make sure the audience doesn't see the coins.